And so for best results, we want to use flattened images, images without layers. And so we click OK. And once the image map is loaded, that's it. It just applies it to the model, and you want to check to make sure that it's surfaced well and textured well. The photograph fits where it should be, and if you haven't moved anything around in UV Mapper, it should fit just fine. Poser has a unique feature called the MAT file, the MAT file, and what it does is it allows you to assign a texture to a figure with just one click of a mouse button. But to set up the MAT file, you need to do several things, and MAT files are very useful when you have to apply texture to a model very quickly. Rather than going through the steps that we just went through, a MAT file will do it in just a single click. So let's talk about how to set up a MAT file, and you'll notice that here in Poser we have several MAT files for different parts of the figure, but and each one of these MAT files has not only the texture map embedded in it, but it also has a little thumbnail so that you can select which one of the MAT files you want to assign.